What's going on, everybody? Matthew Moniz here, and today I'm joined by the one and only Carl
Conrad!
Hell yeah.
I'm doing a little double flex here.
He brought the guns and I brought the phones, and today we have a fantastic video for you. I'm not going to do a special unboxing because you can go check that out on his channel because he did that already, but what I do have is a little overview of this brand new Mate 20 Pro. Now, as you know, they've completely redesigned this product compared to last year's Mate 10. It's a little bit more curvy, feels great in the hands, like a fine wine or a fine woman if that's your thing. He has it here on demo, showing you guys this beautiful curves on the edge. Now, one thing they did do was take the sides of the phone and make it a little bit easier to hold, which is good. I like this. It makes me go better on the video.
Easier to hold.
Easier to hold.
I can hold you easier.
Exactly. So what do you think, Carl? You've had your hands on this bad boy?
I have. Yeah, it's nice to hold. It's got that sexy camera on the back. It's a matrix cam, so I'm digging that. And of course, that fingerprint sensor that's now built into the display.
That's always a bonus. But I think the biggest deal about this was something to do with charging your phone. You know what, Carl?
We're gonna do a little demo.
But you said today your iPhone was dead, right?
It was at like 40%. It was kind of dying during the keynote.
Oh, so what can we do to solve that problem?
So I've got it right here. We will just get this guy going, and now I've got it all enabled, and we have started to charge.
Right about now. All right, good job. It's charging.
We're charging the iPhone with, of course, the Mate 20 Pro. That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty damn impressive. You got to be pretty crazy to do stuff like that. So if your buddy who's been out all day, he's been drinking a little bit too much, his phone doesn't boot up, and you have a little iPhone on you, connect the Mate 20 Pro to it, boom, charge, life goes on. Now there's a couple of things you guys need to know. We have the 4 cameras on the back. We've got a 40 megapixel sensor, a 20 megapixel sensor. That monochrome sensor has been completely removed, but we do have a telephoto lens that will zoom up to 2 times. So the monochrome sensor they replaced it with is actually a wide sensor. So you got every sensor for everything you could use in your entire life. So it doesn't matter if you're doing a landscape, maybe your mom's cooking a good little lasagna, you have a way to take a picture for it.
Mom's lasagna.
Mom's lasagna's been fantastic.
I'm pretty hungry right now. So Mom, if you want to cook me some lasagna, I will take photos with you in it, and we can get some good food because Carl is hungry.
Yeah, telephoto or wide? What's your favorite?
I'm a fan of the ultra wide.
I
like the ultra wide.
Yeah, you know.
They do make the muscles look smaller though.
That's
as
true.
a little hint.
Yeah.
And other things.
Yeah, we don't want to show that on camera. But one thing I do like is the 2-tone finish. You got a little black and red going on the side, which is always a nice little touch. Besides that, like this year, Huawei's been just coming out packed with hardware. I mean, that's the big takeaway every year. Every vendor is just doing these little iterative upgrades. Huawei's trying to introduce something new every single time. I don't know why I'm looking at the monitor. I should be looking here. This is all going the wrong way. The other thing, I was about to pick up the iPhone.
Okay. Yeah,
the other thing is the display. Now this is an OLED display, and usually, so the other big thing about this device is the display. This is the first time that Huawei's packing a OLED QHD Plus display on the regular Mate and P20 Pro devices. I know they've done this before with their Porsche design models, but I'm glad they're bringing it down to these models because, look, we've seen amazing displays from the Pixel, we've seen it from the XS Max. It's only about time that Huawei does the exact same thing. So for all of you Pixel peepers out there, you're definitely gonna love this display. Android Pie 9.0 MUI, so you have all the latest there. And the big takeaway from this, if you guys saw the announcement in IFA, was the Kirin 980.
Yeah.
7 nanometers. That makes the chip very efficient, and they're the first people to actually bring it out, but the second to bring it to market after the big fruit, which we don't want to talk about. I mean,
I didn't say it.
Yeah, no, obviously, of course not. I mean, what else is there? I mean, we got USB Type-C. Oh!
There was actually something really cool there. Inside of this USB-C, I guess, like little port there, I didn't even mention this in my unboxing, you have 2 hidden speakers in there.
Wow.
So they're technically, I guess, they call them invisible speakers, but they're kind of buried inside the USB-C port.
Yeah, so you got the speaker on the bottom, and then we have a speaker on the top, right? For stereo speakers,
yes.
Right over here. So it's utilizing that like earpiece, right?
Yeah.
But the most important thing that we forgot to talk about is this. You know what this is, guys? This is a fast charger. This is something you don't get with, what was that company's again? I'm not gonna mention it again. But I know this is a bigger and thicker one. That's what she said. But this one right here will charge your phone to 70% in 30 minutes.
That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty insane. 40 watt hours, I believe, and then you can also wirelessly charge your device now using 15 watt hours.
They got it.
Yeah, it's about time. Because this is the first time we've had wireless charging on a Huawei device.
Yes.
And people are complaining about it.
Yes.
So it's here. So I mean, that's pretty much it from the takeaway. I mean, the camera, I mean, we're gonna do some like camera comparisons. He's gonna have his, I'm gonna have mine, check them out. We're gonna definitely see what these cameras can do. There's a lot of great competition going on with that. But that's just a quick look at what's new with the Mate 20 Pro. We both have the Mate 20 as well, so stay tuned for that. I just wanna thank everybody for watching this video. I wanna thank Carl and his biceps for being on here. Appreciate the support.
Anytime,
and,
man.
Yeah, and like I said, go check out his unboxing. That's going to be up probably around the same time as this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved the video, liked it. If you liked it, subbed. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions. And I'll talk to you guys in the next episode.
Peace.